Welcome to day 30. First thing is to just trim that beard a bit. My arsenal for today is Youth to the People Kale plus Green Tea Spinach Superfood Cleanser. Happy Skin by Lush. Organic and well-made stuff. Sisley's Express Flower Gel. CeraVe's Eye Cream. And Lewisham's Supernatural Face Elixir. Go and get my superficial cleanser, lather it up. Add a bit of water to it. It's meant to be put on damp face. I don't know what I was doing today. Should get a hairband or something just to tie my hair back. Well, really evil to myself because I've destroyed myself for the last few years. So as part of this transformation challenge, I'm going to push myself back up and reverse all the damage I did. Skincare, fitness, health, spirituality, mindfulness, brain, mental health. Just lightly damp my face, not too much. This is Happy Skin Facial Exfoliator. It uses enzymes as compared to like harsh beads or chemicals. Do you know, it feels really good on skin. It's refreshing. Cools your face down completely. Ideally you should leave it on for a few minutes, but I'm just gonna be quick today. It just happens too harshly because that can damage your skin. I can already feel the enzymes working and there's a bit of like burning / tingling. So I'm going to leave it for a few minutes and then wash face. So the technique is to lightly rub your face while taking it off. Technically you should use a cloth or something. So just the last few steps of the day. All you need is just one pump, that's all. It's quite concentrated, so if you use too much it's just gonna mess it up, I guess. Unfortunately my cameraman, or should I say camerawoman, has left, so I can't show you anymore. But I got this eye cream. I feel like eye creams are the biggest scam on the market. They don't seem to work, but because my skin's really dry as of recent, I just use it to moisturize the area under my eyes. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Do share, like and subscribe. And like I said, this journey has been transformational so far and we've got a lot to do. So I want to inspire as many people as possible, and just sharing with you guys keeps me motivated. So thank you so much once again, and I'll see you all tomorrow.